Mica allows you to use a variety of common sample carriers. Let me show you how to set them up. First of all, you select what kind of sample carrier you are using by simply clicking either on Slide, Petri dish, well plate or multi-chamber slide. In my case right now, I'm using a glass slide with 2 round cover slips, each with a diameter of 18 millimeters. Once you are done with that, you select whether or not your specimen is adherent, detached or dynamic. Adherent, for example, are cells. Detached are tissue sections. And dynamic can be a growing spheroid. In my case, I have a fixed cell culture. So I select adherent and fixed. Last but not least, I'm typing in what kind of fluorophores I'm using in my sample. In my case, this is Hoechst, Alexa 488, SPY 555, and ATTO 647. Once this is done, I can select also the mounting medium of my sample, if it's fixed, and simply click on Overview. Now Mica's intelligent sample finder will scan the surface of my sample carrier and detect where are the cover glasses. The cool thing is, once this is done, Mica also creates an overview with a low magnifying objective, already giving you an overview of your entire sample carrier. So you basically know already where is the sample you are looking for.